Today is Tuesday. The agenda is on the board. You should have completed the warm-up. You could have used your notes if you forgot how to find the slope of a line. We're going to write in our planner. Thank you, baby. We're going to write in our planner, okay, what our homework is, okay. I'm so happy that we did have somebody come to tutoring yesterday. So yay, thank you. The tutoring is there for you. So please take advantage of the virtual tutoring, okay? Remember, if you can't make the time, we can negotiate the time, but don't just not come if you need it. Um, the second thing, we're going to finish up the stations today. And that's really all we're going to have time for because I don't think that people made it past 5. Our homework, of course, is the study guide this week. Okay, the study guide videos are on Canvas. If you want to jump ahead, you can jump ahead. I'm doing a couple each night. I think I only needed 3 nights to complete it. It wasn't no reason to keep dragging it out because it's just 20 problems. So please go and watch those videos. The second one will come to you at 2 p.m. on Canvas. Okay, I mean not Canvas. Remind, they're already on Canvas.
On Remind, can you post because on our project thing, I can't really see the examples. So can you post pictures?
What examples? I didn't post any pictures.
So so on the thing, it gives us pictures of examples, right? But I can't really see them, so I don't really know what to go off.
Oh, I just printed that. It's not real good examples.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it came with the project, so I printed it with the project.
All right.
Yeah, but no, I just go by what we said in class, which is if your name is I'll use Matt, then you're gonna come up with an equation. Well, you have an equation list, and maybe it's D is equal to VM or something. You solving for M on a separate piece of paper. This is your first problem.
Yeah.
You're gonna put solve for M because that's your first letter. So you get M by itself. So this gives you this is equal to M because this cancels out. So on the poster, this is your poster, which you have 10 letters, not 3. On the poster, you're now going to write that M is equal to D divided by V. That's your first one.
Okay.
This is your separate sheet of paper. So you got 2 pieces of paper. This is the poster, and this is the show your work.
If our last name goes to 11,
I'm only going to grade the first 10.
Okay.
So that's it. Yeah. You can do more than 10. I don't care. I'm just grading the first 10.
Mine just has 1 extra letter. Can I just cut off that extra letter?
Yeah, you can cut off the extra letter. You only have to do 10. Okay. Any other questions about it? You forgot? Any other questions? All right. If your letter is missing, just let me know. If a letter is missing, just like he let me know, and I told him to switch it out. Okay. But if you're confused about what I mean, just come see me and I'll explain. All right. Let's look at the note. It's where it is. Write the homework. We already wrote our goal down for the week. Please keep your goal in mind. We're going to week 8 in our planner to write our homework down. Next week, I'm going to be looking at your planner. I'll be looking at your planner. If you watched the video, check it off. If you did the study guide, worked on the study guide, check it off. Worked on the project, check it off. If you came to tutoring, only one person, check it off. The rest of you don't check that off. If you didn't do it, don't check it off. Okay? Math 1. Okay, there is a homework help video, so you can watch homework help video on the study guide. Please watch that because you're going to want to know how to solve those problems, okay? Work on your project. It's not due till next Wednesday, but still work on project. Don't forget that your interactive notebook is due Friday. Make sure you and I need to print the table of contents for you just to print it, just so you'll know. I'll print the table of contents and give it to you tomorrow. I forgot to print it. But the pages are also on Canvas, okay? You got your study guide, project, and your iReady. Please make sure you have 3 lessons completed. Okay, if you've already completed those lessons, I put your grade in already. If you didn't complete those lessons, then you don't see a grade there, but I'll go back and update your grade Friday when it's due. Any questions? All right. Or Monday, actually. It's due Friday, so it'll be Monday. Okay. Anybody was still copying? Anybody need me to wait? You need me to wait? I'll pause for the calls. Warm up. To find the slope of the line, you use the second formula for slope, which is rise over run. Your y is still on the top. That's your up down. Your y axis. Left right, x is on the bottom. Okay? Just like this formula here. Your y up down, x left right. Okay? All right, so let's find the slope. You could choose any 2 points on the graph that you can read. You know the ordered pairs for. This right here, you can read this ordered pair. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can choose this one because this is an ordered pair I can read. I can't read this ordered pair because it's in the middle, so don't choose that as a point. So let me go and choose another. I can choose this point right here. I can read this point. This would be positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 2 points are good. I can use those 2 points here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to count rise over run. Rise again is up, down. Run is left, right. So from this point, I'm going down. Okay, how many units do I go down to get to this point? 1, 2 units. So that's negative 2 on the top. How many units do I go to the right to get to this point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Somebody says 6. That's correct. Can I reduce this fraction? I can reduce the fraction by dividing both the top and the bottom by what? By 2.
Oh, yeah.
Just 2, yeah. So what's negative 2 divided by 2? No, 1.
Yeah, 1.
So we got negative 1 over what? This is my slope. And is my answer supposed to be negative? Yes, because my line is going down. Any questions about that? I'm going to pause for the calls. Okay? Let's look at the second one. Do the same thing again. Find 2 points that you can read. This point right here is over 20, up 10. This is 20, 10. Another point that I could read is this one right here. I can't read this one because it's in the middle some kind of way. I don't know what number this is. But I can read this one. This is 40. And this is what? 25. All right. So now we got to count rise over run. Okay. Every time that I go up, how much is it going up by? It's going up by how much? 5. So this is going up 5, 10, 15. So my top number is a positive 15. Now, every time I go over, how much is it going over by?
1.
10.
Oh, yeah, 10.
It's going up over by 10. So this is going over 10 and then what? 10, 20. So now we're going to reduce this. What can I divide both the top and bottom by? What's the greatest common factor? 5. So my answer here is going to be what over what? 3 over 4. This is a positive slope because the line is going up. From left to right, the line is going up. Any questions about that? Are you okay with it? Mm-hmm. All right. Let's take out our interactive notebook so we can finish what we were working on yesterday. I was working on our stations.
On the multiple choice, like last ones on here, do you want us to show our work to them?
Yes, I put that in the video.
Okay.
Yeah, I did. Show your work on that. And I showed you how to do it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I only did like 6 last night.
It's okay, babe.
All right.
All right, I think I did 7 in the video. It's okay, baby. All right, ready? All right, I need us to focus. Do we have the papers that we need? Okay, I'm gonna walk around and check your work. And when I check it, you come get the next station and keep going. Do as many as you can do. Okay. Any questions, comments, or concerns? All right, let's do it, y'all.